Would you rather sleep next to a snoring partner or one who steals the blanket every single night? Option 1. You're trying to sleep, but it sounds like a motorcycle is parked right next to your ear every single night. Option 2. You finally fall asleep, only to wake up freezing at 3 a.m., hugging the edge of the bed like a survivor in the Arctic. Which is worse? A concert in your ear or hypothermia under the sheets? Drop your answer in the comments. Are you Team Snore or Team Blanket Thief? Let's see who wins this battle of bedtime nightmares.